Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to auto refresh pages and websites in Google Chrome. So we will open the Chrome here and we need to install one extension. So go here and go where is more tools and click on the extensions. So in the left corner click on this menu and then click on the Open Chrome Web Store. We will install auto refresh extension. I like this one, so we will install this and we will add it to our Chrome. So you need to enable the extension and show it here in the toolbar. So how we will do that? Click on this puzzle here and then here you click on the pinned icon, pin the easy auto refresh, click on this and here click 2 times and insert seconds. How many seconds do you want to auto refresh? We will input here 2 seconds and click on the start. So it will always refresh after 2 seconds. That's that guys, I hope you like this tutorial. Sorry for my bad English, I am not native speaker, I am learning. Thanks for watching.